Let's go. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me. We're gonna be heading to the bike shop. I gotta drop my Throne Cycles, the Goon runner, off to get tuned up, and I also gotta drop off this C100 as well to get tuned up as well, because it hasn't been ridden in literally like 5 or 6 months. Chain looks busted and the tires flat, so both of these bikes could use a little tune up. All right, y'all, just made it to bicycle. We got the bikes. Gonna go ahead and quickly unload it, bring us at the shop, and see how long it's gonna take to get things done. What up? I look like a full shop in here. Good, good. I want to drop off that C100 and that Throne over there for a tune-up, and then probably come pick it up Thursday or something. It doesn't need a crazy tune-up. All right, y'all, it's been a few days since the last clip you guys saw. Juan from Bicycle gave me this Fuy Jari bike. It's kind of like a gravel road bike. I'm gonna test it out real quick, do a couple of wheelies on here. This thing's pretty sick. What caught my eye the most on this bike is the electric derailleur, Bluetooth derailleur. I'm a big fan of that setup. So I'm gonna take this bike out for a test ride, make sure it's good, because Juan just built it. Owner of this bike, if you're watching this, I'm a good rider, and I promise you I will not break your bike, but I might do a few wheelies on here. The front suspension on here doesn't make it too bad for wheelies. It's actually fun popping this thing up. Show y'all some Bluetooth derailleur action. That thing sounds crazy. Oh my God, watch them. Vibe check, Florida vibe check. It's a nice day today too. Not gonna lie, this thing rides so smooth. Thank you.
Oh, you got a nice bike.
Thank you. Check that out. This thing is so fun to wheelie. It's different. It's weird though. Once you get it out though, you gone. One hand. All right, let me bring this thing back before I break it. It's John about 7 bends. All right, so we're gonna be doing a little bit of a maintenance day on these two bikes here. This bike needs a new chain and the bottom bracket. This bike needs a new chain and the rim trues, new tube, and that cassette cleaned up. So I was gonna replace the cassette, but this bike is practically brand new, just kind of been neglected. So just gonna clean up everything on these two bikes, get them riding again, and probably take one of them out for a test ride. Nice little ride somewhere or something. But let's start with this bike, because this is the cut up machine. stuff. They got a sale, you got a sale.
Yeah, we match. They have 16 bikes on sale. So yeah, they have the 29-inch. Okay. And then they have, essentially, the traditional BMX is always either 20 models.
On time, go.
I know what you're saying, yeah.
New Black Ops half-link chain installed. They say Stevie don't work on bikes.
Can't forget where you came from. Yeah, the behind the scenes, you know, bloopers. You
Work on your own shit.
You gotta put behind the scenes bloopers sometimes, you know.
And this, we don't need that. Forgot how to work that thing for a second. Should I fill that all the way up?
Yeah, let it sit.
That thing hot.
Yeah,
Let's
get the chain too. Not then. So
yeah, this rim is clapped. Just want to show you guys the C100. Chains all cleaned up, cassette as well. This bike does get dirty fast because of the color, but nothing pretty much done to this thing. This bike is a stock C100 with Maxxis hookworms on there. I actually gifted this to a buddy of mine as a graduation gift. So I did want to give it a little bit of a tune-up because I saw it had a little bit of surface rust on the chain and cassette, but this is how it looks so far. I would take it out for a test ride, but I'm a tall rider. I'm not really very comfortable on these C100s. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Like, I love C100s. I love how they look, but as a tall rider, I'm just not very comfortable on it. But I just want to show you guys the bike. Quick little tune-up. But yeah, C100s are cool, man. I see they got new V3s out too. I gotta check those out, but just want to show y'all the bike. All right, y'all, it's currently the next day. We got the throne all tuned up. C100 is tuned up as well, but I'm on this thing. Calm little Tuesday ride. We're about to go get some tacos and stuff. And I'm like, well, since this bike got a fresh chain on there, cool little tune up, figured I'd bring it out. It's been a little minute since I cut out to the pack. Let's go. Oh, the phone.
Not the phone. That's what you
And
got
it
Otterbox.
didn't crack.
I know, because you got Otterbox.
Shout out to Otterbox.
No way.
All right, y'all subscribe to iDab and he's a worm. So subscribe for the worm content. He said, "Shut up, Steez." My fault. In the Crocs too.
In the Crocs. Feel me in sport mode. Feel me?
God damn.
Steez, where the work at? I'm used to you going 100 miles per hour with the wheel in out. There you go. There you go. Get out of the way. There goes Steez.
That's why I'm looking like a vibe.